Okay, today I want to share with you a little home improvement that I've done in one of the bathrooms at home, and that is to install a Bidet Spray, or otherwise known as Bum Wash. These are pretty much common in Indonesia, Bali, where we spend a lot of our holiday time, and you'll find them pretty much everywhere other than maybe a 5-star hotel where they're probably adapted to accommodate the paper into the sewage system. The reason why they have these bidet sprays or bum washes is pretty much their sewage outlet pipes from housing or toilets are very narrow and they can become clogged quite easily, causing major disasters. So hence the bum wash. Now it is a very practical piece of hardware to install, and being called a bum wash, it does exactly that. That's what its job is. And also if you have arthritis in your hands, maybe it could be an assistance for overcoming some issues there. It's very easy to use. It's just a trigger pump. You can adjust the water spray intensity, and it could be a help. Very easy to install as well, and we'll go through that in just a moment. It's so easy. Okay, these are very simple to do yourself. You don't really require a plumber unless you need to get some sort of assistance to do it. But it's just this thing here, which is called a diverter. It just screws right onto or the inlet pipe from the outside water, which goes into the system normally, into here. And the diverter is in the moment in the closed position, but to put it on, it's just a matter of that line lines up with the pipe to tell you that that one is now operable. So always remember to turn it off, which is a handy point. Easy to put on, just add a bit of plumbing tape if you want to. As in the instructions it says it's not necessary, but I had plumbing tape anyway, so I thought I might as well use it. And I got a hose, which is a 1.2 metre hose. Just gives you a little bit of added length. Normally they would come with an 800mm hose. Being right-handed, obviously my spray is on the right-hand side, and I needed the extra length to obviously come through here. But 800 might do it. 1200 to me gives me that little bit of extra play with it, so you're never going to run short of the hose. Now, how it operates is, give you a quick demonstration. We'll just put it into the on position down there. It's operated by a little trigger pump. It's all stainless steel, so it should be fine with water. And there you go, look at that. Works a treat. You can adjust by how much you turn that on as to how much water comes through. But either way, it's still pretty strong, I suppose. That's lessened it a little bit. It's not quite as powerful. So it's your choice. Good for cleaning toilets and so forth as well. Now with the holder, that is very straightforward. Let's pull a bit of extra cord out. That is a shower holder. Now all of these items have been bought at the local hardware store. You can buy them from a plumbing outfit, but Bunnings did the trick. They have all these parts. Now that shower holder is intended to be screwed onto the wall or screw through the ceramic, so I didn't want to do that. There is a video, which I'll leave a link in the description, as to how to do it with double-sided tape and those picture frame tapes, which let's see if we have one. These sorts of things where you've got the tape where you can just pull it once you don't need the hook anymore. You just pull that tape down and that releases it. But using 2 or 3 bits of this tape on the back of the holder, and it's holding up quite well for me so far, but that link will be in the description for you. But fantastic. I think it's a fantastic addition to the bathroom area.